First thing you need to do here is to download a VPN, and I'm going to tell you the name of the VPN you're going to download. You can download it from the Google Play Store or from the Apple Store if you are using an iPhone. Okay, so I'm going to tell you the name. Just go to your Google Play Store and search for Urban VPN. Okay, as you can see on the screen, Urban VPN. Search for it and install it. But as you can see, I've already installed it on my device, so all I need to do now is to just open the VPN. So when you install it, just open it. Okay, so as you can see right here, it shows that my location is in Nigeria because I'm currently in Nigeria. So it shows that my location in Nigeria. So what you need to do is to search for a country which you want to connect to. Okay, so in this case now we are going to be connected to the United States of America. Okay, so we are going to search for the United States of America. Okay, so when you do that, just click OK and it's going to connect. Okay, all right, so as you can see, it's connected. So what you need to do now is to just exit the app, just remove it and reopen it again. All right, so it is opened, and as you can see and confirmed, my location is no longer Nigeria. It's now showing that my location is the United States of America. Okay, so as you can see, it's showing United States of America. So what this means that your location is no longer, you can do something that is meant for only people in US by using a VPN. So the next thing to do now is to go to our Facebook application and clear our Facebook data. Okay, now go to your Facebook app, go to your settings. But I think on the iPhone there's an option to offload apps if there's no option to clear data. So just clear storage on the Facebook app, and after clearing storage you have to log into your normal Facebook account, the one carrying the page you want to monetize. Okay, so after clearing the data, now open your Facebook application. Okay, so when you open your Facebook application, log into your Facebook account, the one carrying the page you want to monetize. Log into the account. Okay, so when you log into the account, now you don't have to do anything yet. Just log out and log in. No, just log out, and after logging out, you have to create a new Facebook account using this VPN. This VPN is connected to the United States now. You have to create a new account. So I literally just skip through the whole process of creating the account, and as you can see, I've already created the account. So this is basically a new account. I just skip, everyone knows how to create a Facebook account, so I just skip that process and we are in the new account we just created. Okay, so now the next thing to do now is to use our old account which has the page we want to monetize, to make this new one an admin of the page. So for those of you who don't know how to make someone an admin, I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, so now we're going to log into the old account carrying the page we want to monetize. All right, let's log in. Okay, so now we are logging and we have switched to the page we want to monetize. So now I'm going to show you how to make someone an admin of the page. So to make someone an admin, just have to click on the settings. That's to make someone an admin. Okay, you have to go to the settings. Oh, okay, it's down here. All right, so to make someone an admin, you just have to go to settings. What am I doing? Yeah, settings. You can see your settings and privacy. Click on settings and privacy. Now click on settings. Okay, so when you click on settings, click on page settings right here, page settings. So click on page settings, then scroll a little bit, just scroll a little bit. You see page access. Look at it here, page access. So when you click on page access, it's going to show you several people who are admin, and you show you an option here, add new. If you click that add new to make a new person an admin of your page, on the bottom you will see a button say next on the bottom. Click it. Now click on this place here to search for the name of the person you want to make an admin of your page. Okay, so now when you click on there, you type the name of the person you want to make an admin, and when you type the name of the person, you, you don't have to click on search. You just show the name of the people with that name, then you select the one you want to make admin. So this is the new account I created. I'm going to click it to make it an admin. Okay, as you can see here, so I've clicked it. Now you see the little button here that say allow this person to have full control. Now click the button, and at the bottom you click give access. So for security reasons, it's going to tell you to enter your password. Okay, so I'm going to skip the part where I enter my password, but for security reasons you are going to enter your password just in case someone else is trying to do it. Okay, so when you enter your password, it's going to send a notification to the new account to make the new account an admin. All right, so I've entered my password, but I skipped to that part. Now you can see that the invite has been sent to the new account and is waiting for approval. So I'm going to log into that account to approve it and become an admin of the page I want to monetize. All right, so this is the new account. This is the new account. Escape the part where I logged in, and you can see the invite right here, the invite to become an admin. So now when you click there, click on review invite. When you click on review invite, you are going to click on next at the bottom. Click next and click on accept. If you don't want to accept, maybe someone send you invite, you don't want, you can decline, but in this case you click accept. Okay, so now we have accepted it, and we are switching to the page, and we are in the page right now. As you can see, we are currently in the page with this new account. All right, so to go to your monetization tab, you have to click this button right here. You see this button, that button right there. But most people don't have that button in their account for some reasons I don't even know. So most people do not have. So if it's not showing in your account, I'm going to show you other ways to go there. Okay, it's basically the same thing. You say that you click this button right here, this one. You click it, but if you don't have this button, all you have to do is go to your page. All right, so when you go to your page, you see this button that says manage. Okay, you click this button, it's still going to take you right here. So you're basically the same thing. Now scroll a little bit and you see this tab monetization. Okay, now this tab that's monetization, when you click it, if your page is ready for monetization, you have made the requirement, you're going to see this thing that says setup. Okay, now what you have to do is click the setup. It's going to show you this. You can start earning money with in-stream ads. So what this means is that when you apply, they approve it, you can start making money from your Facebook page. So anytime you upload video from then anytime you upload video, they are going to start paying you. You're going to start making money from Facebook. Okay, all right, so what we want to do now is to fill out the form for the Facebook monetization. So watch this video carefully and do exactly what I do. Okay, I'm going to leave a link where you can download a file containing address, city and state and mobile number you can use for filling out the form. You can use several ones. Okay, so now click on get started, and it's going to bring you to this page where they will ask for your name, your date of birth and your country. So use your real name, or you can use a random name and a date of birth. Okay, but I would say you should use your real name just in case of the tax info. Use your real name, and the country, select the United States as the country. Okay, all right, so I've done that now, and when you done it like this, click on the next and wait. Just do exactly what I did. Now I'm just gonna run this through. Okay, so now when you say business type, the type of business you're going to choose is individual. Okay, click here, click on individual and individual slash sole proprietor. So click on individual and click on next. Okay, all right, so when you click on next, you wait for it to load, and takes you to the next page. All right, so it's going to ask for more info, and as you can see, I've already filled out this info, but I don't have to add the plus one again because it's already a United States number. Okay, I have a US number that I'm using. Okay, so you can just fill out just like I did. Okay, and when you do, click on next. Okay, so now when it asks for a payout method, it's going to ask you to use either a bank account or a PayPal. So you can choose to use a bank account if you have a US account. Okay, like as for me, I have a US account personal, but just for those who don't have, I'm going to use the other method which says link your PayPal account. Okay, and now let me tell you what this means. What this means, I think you should know what this means. What this means is when they start paying you, when you start making money from Facebook, when they approve your monetization, this is basically how you want to receive your money, how you want to be receiving your payment. Is it through a bank account? If you have a US account, you can use a bank account. Okay, but if you don't have, you can set a PayPal account. That's if you have a PayPal. If you don't have a PayPal account, then it's easy. All you have to do is go and create a PayPal account. Okay, creating a PayPal account is free. It's not hard. You don't have to pay anything to create a PayPal account. It's free. You just have to go to paypal.com and create a PayPal account. Okay, so when you create your PayPal account, the next thing you're going to do is come here. You're going to click on this thing that says link your PayPal account. Okay, so if you click on, okay, so you click on the thing that says link your PayPal account. Okay, so I'm going to click it now. Okay, when you click it, you click link payout method and wait for it to take you to a page where you have to enter your PayPal details. Okay, all right, click link payout method. Okay, so it has taken me to a page where I have to log into my PayPal account, and to ask me to log into my PayPal. So I skip through the whole process where I log into my PayPal account, and my PayPal is now linked to my monetization form. Okay, so if you are doing this for the first time, it's going to tell you to link a PayPal account. So, but I just skip through that process of linking a PayPal account. Sorry, I skip through the process of logging into my PayPal because it's going to tell you to log in if you are just doing it for the first time. Okay, all right. So now the next thing here is to add your tax info. Okay, this thing is very tricky because this tax refund is very, very important. Okay, but since you are living in an ineligible country, there's nothing you can do. You cannot do anything about this one. So you're going to use the button that says add later. But keep in mind that this tax info, they are going to bring the option for you again to enter your tax info again. But for now, let's just skip through this part and use the button that says add later. Okay. All right, so we're going to click the add later button. So when you click this button, it's going to tell you that your application is going to be reviewed on or before 2 weeks. But trust me, it's going to take exactly 2 weeks before they give you feedback. Okay, it's going to take exactly 2 weeks. So once you do this, just sit back and relax and wait for your monetization to be approved. But before then, there's something you need to know. Like, there's something very important you should know. Now let me tell you something very important that you need to know. Every single time you are logging in into this your new account that you used to apply for the monetization, you have to make sure you are using a VPN, and the VPN is also connected to the country. If you do this, if you mistakenly log in without using this VPN, they are going to detect it. And it's not just something they do, it's automatically, they detect it immediately. So every time you are logging in, you make sure you use this VPN to log in. And if you are leaving, you log out and clear your Facebook data. Okay, and that is yeah, it gets very tricky because most people who have done this, they actually regret even doing it in the first place, because that thing is just one had something to do. You're going to always log into that account with a VPN. Now, that's one thing you need to keep in mind. And the second thing is, before applying for monetization, you have to make sure that your account follow Facebook community policy. Now, just wait, let me show you something. So after that, just click on OK. Just click on OK and you wait for your monetization to be approved. But let me show you something before then. Uh, just go back, because these are the things you need to check. Even before applying for your Facebook monetization, you need to check this thing to make sure that your Facebook page is in order. Okay, you have to check this thing to make sure that there's nothing that is going to make your monetization to be declined by Facebook. All right, so what you have to do is go to settings, go to your page settings, and scroll a little bit to where you see page quality. Okay, right here, see page quality. Click on page quality. Okay. Okay, so this Facebook page does not have a monetization tab right here. There's supposed to be a tab that says monetization, and that tab is going to show you if your content are actually safe or good. So that's just to be sure that your monetization is going to approve, which means your page has no issue, nothing that is going to make them not to approve your Facebook page monetization. Okay, hold on, let me show you something. Okay, so as you can see, there's a tab for monetization on this account. Okay, this is one of my old Facebook page. Okay, but the problem with it is that it has a problem with reuse content. So if you go to the monetization tab, you're going to see to okay, as you can see right here, it says limited originality of content, and this happened because I'm re-uploading videos on this account. Okay, videos that does not belong to me, I'm uploading to this account, so they gave me this violation. Okay. So I'm actually very surprised that it's not showing the monetization tab on this account. So please make sure you check that first before applying for monetization. It's not when they decline your monetization, you start saying they decline. So check that and keep in mind the other first one, that you have to use a VPN to log into that account, which is a very hard thing to do. Okay, so other than this, if you have someone overseas or living in an eligible country, you can simply just contact them, because it's actually preferable to do it that way. Okay, you can just do this only if you have no other option. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Please like this video, comment and share this video. Okay, please like and share this video, that's the most important thing. Okay, please like and share. Thank you for watching this video, and please follow me and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you for watching. Goodbye.